Hey, what's going on, guys? It's FELONY Tech9 here, and I kind of just 8 o'clock today. Just got back from having dinner. There's a random coin on the floor. With to post a picture on Instagram or Instagram and Twitter. Plug. At Captions3 at FELONY Tech9. It's or Twitter, Instagram in that order. I realized today is National Fire Alarm Day. Well, it's 8:20. I think I said 8:40 earlier. It's 8:20. I don't exactly have the liberty of actually doing a test today, which is what I had planned to do yesterday and then didn't. Which is also what I planned to do last weekend and the weekend before and the weekend before. I keep planning to do it and don't do it. So what can I do at 8 o'clock? Quick overview of my collection. We're going to start with a thing that's already out of the closet because I don't have somewhere to put it. Here we go. So, 4009 Nike Center. 4009, 9001. Key. I'm only going to be showing one of everything I have. If I have multiple, I will say. This came out of my elementary school. This is nothing new. I've shown this device off before. Now we'll do something new. The next closest thing. This. Oh shoot, I'm wearing a school shirt. Hopefully I don't show it, because that would make editing this even more painful. Okay, down we go. I don't remember if I've shown this before. It's a bell. I don't think I have. I got this from one of my friend's uncles who worked for Simplex. I don't know if he still does. I think he does. It is a 4070 hyphen. I think it's an 8 or a 6. I can't tell. This is kind of the worst time to be recording this, as I have new things coming eventually. So, I'm going to do steal KCIN 566's idea and do a monthly overview from now on, if I get anything new during the month. Because unboxing videos get kind of boring pretty quick. Okay. Next thing's easy. 4002 control panel. I have a door for it. The door is broken. I did not break the door. It was broken when I got also came out of my elementary school. 27A SPO. Screw is stripped on the top, but you can still open it like this. This also came out of my elementary school and was a replacement to an F1 GT. Okay, let's see what box is on top here. The whole station box. Here's one of those, as I said, F1 GTs. Hopefully the audio is decent on this, probably not. Here's an F1 GT. It's Faraday. Here's a switch. It's a conventional pull station. I had them all around my elementary school. Here is a broken 2099 pull station. Has no model number on it. Oh, is this a broken one? I don't remember if this is a broken one. I think it is. Where'd my key go? Shoot, where'd my key go? Here it is. Yeah, this is the broken one. No model number sticker. None of them have it. Here's a PSSATK Silent Night. These are made by Sigcom. They were in my hotel in my hotel that I went to in Disney. Pulls like that. I have a piece of a pen cap being used as a brake rod. There's the model. Alright, PSSATK. I use an SC10 key. Finally got a key for this. These are MS6s. And they use the PK625 key. This one is open already, because I didn't reset all of them. There we go. This is the older version with the different FCI logo. Close like that, pull like that. They're kind of noisy when you pull them. Resets like this. The locks can be a little hard on them. What else do I have? Oh yeah, so I have, I think 8 of these. I have 5 of these, and a bunch of and I think 5 49 or not that. I only have one 4999 9001. Get to that 2099 pulls, and I also have a single action version of that pull. One's on my 410, the other's on my 4002. Okay, moving ahead.
It's not wired into the system yet.
It has an address sticker on it that should clue you in. The 4903, or 4099 9001. IDNet pull station. This will not be in the next system test. I'm waiting for something before I actually do that one in a test. I have this pull station. It is broken. It's missing its switch. It's a standard pull. Cool. Model number is 200 177. Pulls like this. They're a huge pain to reset because no one has a key for it. They're kind of funny. They wobble around, and the reset mechanism is pretty simple, though. It's just a piece of metal that you push when you turn the key, but it takes a lot of tries to get to work sometimes.
Okay, this part is going to be fast forwarded.
We have the Firelight BG6. 49, or no. Oh my god, I keep saying 4903. 2099 9795. The module is missing off of it. Fix it later. Trying to rush this. A duster. And this is the pull station I mentioned earlier. I need a key. Shoot, hold on. Key. I put actual labels to say what device it was. A Simplex 4010. Edwards Genesis speaker strobe. This one's hooked up as only a strobe. There's the model. That thing over there. FELONY MT. And 4090 9001 exam. (4255-1) thermo detector. Simplex. Made by Chemtronics. Also made by Chemtronics, another heat detector. This one doesn't have a base and is a 2098 9442. A broken to be eventually fixed. Oh shoot, it fell apart. 4093 90 101 9001, I forget. Here's the strobe. Here's the plate. Came out of my elementary school. It was broken I knew there was one that was dead, and it happened to be the one that I actually picked. Been in a system test before. It's my nicest looking one. It's a Willock MT. Here's one of the MTs that I showed on the system, except not. This one's also pretty good looking, but it doesn't have a back cover plate, so I didn't want to put it inside the box. WST12. I bought this as my first notification appliance, and I bought a 12-volt one because it can be driven off a single 9-volt battery, which I thought would be easier. System sensor S2475, 24-volt, 75 candela, just strobe, Spectral Classic. Bunch of fire alarm wire. Some Simplex back boxes. Got 3 more of them that are unopened. I gotta redo this, but I can't get the clips out on it. It's a huge pain. They're really strong. 4904 9137. The wires are kind of loose, so I don't use it very often. And a bunch of plastic cover plates for the MTs. Simplex bell came out of my elementary school, 2901 9333. That's about everything covered in less than 14 minutes of recording. Who knows what the final video will be. I'm going to try to get under 10 minutes. And I have some fire alarm wire, and there's a 4939236 on the 4010 system, or 4002 system. It's still there. It's been there. I'll show that real quick. Ooh. Okay, that's it. Gonna do the outro now. Pointed at a wall. Okay, so anyway, happy National Fire Alarm Day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.